Today we are unboxing Jetson Bolt Pro folding electric bike. From start to finish, it took about 15 minutes to assemble this electric bike. It was pretty easy to assemble, but an Allen wrench that is included to install various parts was difficult to use. The manual notes that you will need a screwdriver, a ratchet, and socket. I would say the hardest part of the assembly was the rear fender. To put the rear fender, I recommend having an adjustable wrench and a folding hex tool. When you are installing the bell, be careful not to tighten too much. As you can see here, we cracked the clasp that holds the bell. Oops! Because the tires are small and the handlebars are narrow, it rides like a scooter. It takes some time to get used to it. The handlebar is just hard plastic, so after a long ride, it gets a little uncomfortable. We ended up wrapping the handlebars with tennis racket handle tape. It has pedal assist, which makes climbing hills very easy. Or you can twist the throttle when you don't feel like pedaling at all. Look at me go! For the price, it is actually very powerful. I was pleasantly surprised how much power it has. A big plus for a family that has a small car like us and would like to transport the bike. Look, it fits even in our Toyota Prius, which has a small trunk. Another nice thing about this bike is that it is comfortable enough for adults and kids. Everyone in our family can ride the same bike comfortably with a little adjustment on the seat height. Overall, I love this bike. It's effortless, easy to ride, easy to assemble, easy to store.